गुड इवनिंग। तो फर्स्ट बार हम लोग डिजिटल बोर्ड में क्लास 4 का इंग्लिश डिबेट करने वाले हैं। तो आज कैंडिडेट रहने वाले हैं जिनका इंट्रोडक्शन ये देंगे।
Myself Swara Sigar from Standard 4th.
Myself Chirag Singh from Standard 4.
Myself Ronak Ranjan from Class 4.
Myself Sushant Singh from Class 4.
Myself Kruti from Standard 4.
Myself Safan from Class 4.
Myself Sifanas from Class 4.
Myself Joya Parveen, Class 4.
ओके, बिफोर स्टार्टिंग में रूल बता देता हूँ। 4 सेक्शन में बटा हुआ है हमारा आज का डिबेट। जो पहला सेक्शन होगा वो पैसेज का होगा। एक पैसेज आएगा, उसके 5 क्वेश्चन होंगे। पैसेज आपको रीड करना है, ठीक है। आपके रीडिंग स्किल भी देखे जाएंगे। उसके बाद हम लोग ग्रामर करेंगे। ग्रामर में एंटोनिम, सिनोनिम्स, प्रीपोजिशन, नाउन etc रहेंगे। ओके। थर्ड हम लोग आपके जो एकेडमिक बुक है उसका एमसीक्यू करेंगे और लास्ट एकेडमिक बुक का सब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन। ओके। तो फर्स्ट हम लोग शुरू करते हैं कैंडिडेट नंबर 1 जोया से। ओके, अभी पैसेज रीड करेंगे अच्छे से। यस, पैसेज पढ़िए जोर से।
It was a full moon night, bright moonlight flooded the road. I was walking slowly. Suddenly, I heard.
एक सेकंड, आपको देखने में प्रॉब्लम हो रही है। सामने आइए, सामने आइए, ये उतार दिए। हाँ, इसमें बोलिए।
It was a full moon night, bright moonlight flooded the road. I was walking slowly. Suddenly, I heard a whistling sound. At first, I thought it was another late evening stroller like me. The sound was loud and cheerful. Suddenly, Suddenly, a boy on a bicycle sped past me. I could not see his face. After a few minutes, he was back again. This time, he stopped a few feet away from me and gave me a smile. He looked like a slim boy of 14. He wore a school blazer, a cap and a scarf. His eyes were bright and cool like moonlight. You don't have a bell on our bicycle, I said. He said nothing. I put out my hand, but he did not take it. Then, quite suddenly, he sped fast again. The next day, I learned that whistling boy was a ghost.
ओके, वेरी गुड। थोड़ा सा मिस्टेक हुआ है, अभी नहीं, अभी इस पे क्वेश्चन आएगा, आपको बताना है। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु अपीयर्ड क्वाइट रैपिडली?
The whistling boy.
Very good. Option number 1 is right. Second, who could the narrator not see the face of the boy? क्यों नहीं देख पाया उसका फेस?
The boy sped fast quickly.
Because the boy sped fast quickly. Third, what did the boy not wear? वो क्या नहीं पहना था?
A scarf.
स्कार्फ तो पहना ही था ना, आपने पढ़ा था यहाँ पे। ब्लेजर, a cap and a scarf. क्या नहीं पहना था?
An overcoat.
An overcoat. Okay. 4. Why did the boy not take the hands of a stroller?
He was in hurry.
He was in
Hurry.
Okay, next. What was most unusual about the boy? क्या अजीब था उसके बारे में?
His eyes were bright but cool like moonlight.
Very good. His eyes were bright but cool like moonlight. एक रॉन्ग किया इन्होंने। Very good. जाइए अपने प्लेस पे। सेकेंड कैंडिडेट सोफिया, सिफा दिख रहा है आपको? ये रीड करिए.
A farmer is an important person in our security. He lives in a village. His house is very small. It is the generally no pakka. A farmer eats very simple food. He eats heavy
Chapatis.
chapatis. He take vegetable. Really, he does not take fruit generally. The dress of a farmer is very simple. He wear a dhoti and kurta. They are made for khadi. He does not wear shirt and pant. He work is a very hard. He gets up early in the morning. He work in his field.
Field.
He
Ploughs.
ploughs his land from morning till evening. He go forth and grain on his land. He is the feeder of the world. No, he uses
Tractor.
and
Fertilizers.
fertilizer for good crop. In the evening, he sits in chapel with other farmer. There they talk about politics.
चले, very good. First question. Who is the important in our society?
A farmer,
Very good. Right answer. The farmer lives in a.
a village,
Right answer. The farmer eats very
food,
simple food. Nice. 4. The farmer wears
dhoti and kurta.
dhoti and kurta. All right. The farmer dress is made up of. यहाँ खादी दिया हुआ है या कॉटन दिया हुआ है? खादी. Very good. All right. नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट सोफिया, दिख रहा है आपको? सामने आजी नहीं दिख रहा है? तो दिख रहा है ना? पढ़िए इसे.
Green plant make their own food. Plant absorb water and mineral by root from soil. Water absorbed plant through the stem and goes to the leaf on and other parts. The leaf on plant have a green substance in their cell. The green substance are called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll are capable of observing sunlight energy. The energy of combined with the water and the carbon dioxide to form food. Carbon dioxide from the air is absorbed by the living through minute force presented on the underside of the leaf. These forces are called stomata or stomata. The green plant make us of water.
Use of
water, carbon dioxide and sunlight energy to make their own food. The food prepared in the process in a simple sugar which may change into storage the other carbon dioxide like such.
Yes, sucrose का. Okay. First question. Their own food is made by green plant, dry plant, flowers या seed?
Green plant.
Green plant. Very good. Plant absorb water and mineral by
Soil.
not soil. आप बताइए शिवा.
None of this.
None of these is wrong. आप बताइए रौनक.
Sir, roots.
Roots. Plants absorb water and minerals by roots. Third, the leaves on plant have a
Green.
substance. Very good. Chlorophyll is called
Stomata.
stomata. This green substance, okay, capable of observing sunlight energy is combined with the
Carbon dioxide.
water and the carbon dioxide. Okay. Next candidate, खुशी दिख रहा है? Read कीजिए. एक सेकंड. हाँ.
The sailor took the ball in his hands and suspecting it was gold, scattered a line on the bottom with needle in his suspension was right. The ball pure gold, thinking that he would get the ball for nothing. He pretended that it was useless and scornfully threw it on the ground, rose from his seat and went out of the house.
Good. Very good. First question. He scratch a line on the bottom of the ball cup plate pot. Ball. Very good. Second. Then he dash of buying it a very cheap rate. Said, thought, browt या new? Browt. Browt नहीं, thought. उसने सोचा कि उसे सस्ते दाम में खरीद ले. Third. He throw the ball on the ground because to show to the. किसको दिखाने के लिए वो बॉल को जमीन पे फेंक देते हैं? Young girl and old woman. Fourth. Was eagerness compelled old woman to call Servian in?
Her granddaughter.
Her granddaughter. Okay. Servian was surprised because the ball was made of gold. Very good. एक रॉन्ग हुआ, बाकी सब राइट. अब हमारे नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट सौर्या. दिख रहा है आपको? रीड करेंगे अच्छे से.
A railway porter is a person who carries the luggage of passenger at the railway station. He is very important person at the railway station. A porter is seen at every platform. He generally wears a red shirt and a red turban with a brass badge on his arm. This brass badge is his license. Sometimes he uses a hand cart if the luggage is too much. He works very hard from morning till evening. His rates are fixed by the railway department. A porter runs from one platform to the other. As soon as the train arrives, he feels lucky when passenger ask him to carry his luggage. He helps passenger to get on and off the train. His income is not enough.
Very good. अच्छा रीड किया आपने. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन भी बताइए. A railway porter carries the bags of passengers. Luggage. Very good. A porter is seen at every
Platform.
platform. Very good. Third. The porter wears
Red shirt.
red shirt. Right. The badge is made brass. Very good. Fifth. Who runs from one platform to the other?
Passenger. A porter.
Porter. Very good. All right. Nice. अब नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट पढ़ेंगे. ओके. रीड कीजिए.
The slow began
वन इवनिंग से.
one evening. सर लाइट जरा तो अच्छे से
अब
नहीं.
सामने आइए. उतार दीजिए उसे. आइए. इसमें पढ़िए. हाँ.
One evening I went to see a circus. There was a very big tent and an empty ring in the middle. The show began to 6 p.m. An acrobat came there. She stood on a ladder. She threw cups and suckers into the air, but none of them fell down. A joker also did the same and made the people laugh at his jokes. Then came 7 elephants. One of them prepared tea and served it to his fellow elephant. It was a wonderful scene.
वंडरफुल सीन. ओके. आगे बढ़िए.
In the last came a fearful lion. His master brought a big ring and lighted fire. He made the lion to jump through it. I enjoy the circus very much.
Very good. First question. One dash in the wind to see a circus. Evening, morning, afternoon, night.
Evening.
Evening. Very good. Second. The circus began to how many p.m. ये पढ़ सकते हैं. कितने बजे स्टार्ट हुआ?
6
p.m. Nice. Third. She threw cups and saucers into the
air.
Right answer. Then came how many elephants?
8
elephants. Very good. Last question. One of them prepared
tea.
Very good. All right. Nice. जाइए. आपको दिख रहा है रौनक? रीड कीजिए।
I was about 6 years old. Once I saw a beautiful picture in a book. It was a picture of Guinness forest. I thought about the forest and draw a picture of an animal. I showed it to some grown-ups, asked them, "Are you afraid of it?" But they asked me, "Afraid? Why should one be afraid of a head?" My drawing was not a head. To me, it was an elephant, but the grown-ups were not able to understand it. One of those grown-ups advised me, "Stop drawing, devote yourself instead to geography, arithmetic, and grammar." That is why I gave up drawing. That is why I could not become a great artist.
Okay, nice. First question, the boy drew a picture of
An animal.
an animal. Okay, second, afraid. Statement, question, order या request?
A statement.
Afraid के बाद ये किस चीज का मार्क है?
Question.
क्वेश्चन मार्क है, तो क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है, तो एक क्वेश्चन होगा। ओके, थर्ड, but for the advice of grown up, the child would have become artist, mathematician, geographer या
Artist.
artist. Why did the child give up drawing? उसने ड्राइंग क्यों छोड़ दिया?
Option number B.
ऑप्शन नंबर बी, because he was so advised. उसे सलाह दी गई थी कि छोड़ दीजिए। I saw a picture in a book. Big picture, small picture, beautiful picture या picture of village?
Beautiful.
Beautiful picture. यहाँ था ना फर्स्ट में ही। Once I saw a beautiful picture. Very good, एक रो हुआ। सुशांत दिख रहा है आपको?
Yes, sir.
रीड कीजिए ये।
I woke up one August morning in a warm sweat. I ran to the refrigerator to get a cold drink, but the refrigerator was broken and all the drinks were as hot as me. I walked over my electric fan, but it was not working either. I then turned on the television and finally realized that the electricity in my house was out. Later that the day I went to the pool to cool off. I drove right in, swam 8 laps before I tried out my friend Jeremy. Then bought me an ice cream cone. I got a vanilla ice cream cone without rainbow sprinkler. Even though it was really hot, I did have a lot of fun.
Very good. First question. What did the narrator want from the refrigerator? रेफ्रिजरेटर से वो क्या लेना चाहते थे?
Drink.
Very good. A drink, a cold drink. Second, why does the electric fan not work?
B. Option number B.
It needed batteries. No. कौन बताएगा right? Yes, Chirag.
The power was out.
Yes, the power was out. Electricity नहीं थी. Third, how many laps did it take for the narrator to tire the pool? Eight. Very good. 4. Who bought the narrator an ice cream cone?
Option number D.
Option number D. Jeremy. What was the flavor of the ice cream?
Vanilla.
An ice cream cone, you got a vanilla ice cream. Very good. 4 right हुआ इनका। कैमरा इधर कर दीजिए। तो हमने देखा पैसेज में बच्चों का रीडिंग स्किल देखा गया और उनका पैसेज देखा गया वो कितने आंसर दे पा रहे हैं। नेक्स्ट हम लोग करेंगे ग्रामर। ओके, ग्रामर के 5 क्वेश्चन ईच स्टूडेंट से पूछे जाएंगे, आपको उसका आंसर देना है। हम लोग शुरू करेंगे कैंडिडेट नंबर 1 जोया से। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ईच बॉय एंड गर्ल, क्या फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स में क्या होगा? Each boy and girl are is wrong. Yes, खुशी? Each boy and girl, प्रत्येक लड़का, एक लड़का है तो each. Okay. Second, neither tree nor bush was. Very good, right? Choose appropriate option. In a nutshell, meaning क्या होता है? Good health, in short, at intervals या on the spot. In a nutshell.
At intervals.
At intervals is wrong.
In good health.
नहीं, एक बार बोलना है। Yes, सिराज।
In short.
In short, very good. In short, in a nutshell मतलब होता है संक्षेप में, short में। Synonym of injure. Synonyms बताना है injure का।
Culprit.
Culprit. No. कौन बताएगा राइट आंसर? यस रौनक। हार्ट। इंजर मतलब होता है चोट लगना और हार्ट मतलब भी होता है चोट लगना। सिनोनिम ऑफ ग्रेव, सीरियस इज राइट आंसर। ओके, नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट सिफा। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, आई मस्ट गो डैश माय ब्रदर इज इल, क्या वहां फील होगा? I must go for my brother is ill is wrong.
Sir,
Yes, Sushant.
because
Because I must go, मुझे जाना होगा, because क्योंकि my mother is ill. Mona stayed at home. Dash it rained.
will.
Why? मोना घर पे रही जिस दौरान बारिश हो रही थी। राइट एंड सॉरी, टेल एंटोनिम ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल, इसका ऑपोजिट बताना है। आर्टिफिशियल का ऑपोजिट, एक सेकंड।
Bryce.
ब्राइट इज रॉन्ग। यस सोफिया।
Option number C, golden.
गोल्डन इज आल्सो रॉन्ग। यस सोनिया।
Option number D, natural.
ऑप्शन नंबर डी नेचुरल। आर्टिफिशियल यानी होता है मैन मेड और नेचुरल यानी कि प्राकृतिक, जो नेचर में मिले। एंटोनिम ऑफ फॉरगेट, फॉरगेट मतलब क्या होता है मालूम है आपको?
सर भूलना।
भूलना, तो उसका ऑपोजिट क्या होगा? रिवाइज, रिमेंबर, लर्न या फोर्स?
Remember.
रिमेंबर इज राइट। राइट द एंटोनिम ऑफ चीयरफुल, चीयरफुल का ऑपोजिट क्या होगा? चीयरफुल यानी खुश होता है। यस रौनक।
Option number D.
ऑप्शन नंबर डी अलर्ट, अलर्ट इज रॉन्ग। यस
Sir, option number C.
ऑप्शन नंबर सी ग्लूमी इज राइट। ओके, नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट सोफिया। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हिंदी इज बेस्ट इजी लैंग्वेज, क्या फील होगा वहां पे?
C, option number C.
हिंदी इज ए इजी लैंग्वेज इज रॉन्ग। यस सुशांत।
The.
हिंदी इज दी इजी लैंग्वेज,
The.
बताइए खुशी।
None of these.
नन ऑफ दिस कैसे होगा?
Sir.
बताइए जो है एन इजी में ई है, ये वॉवेल है ना, तो हिंदी इज एन इजी लैंग्वेज, हिंदी एक आसान भाषा है। माय फादर इज डैश टीचर, एन टीचर, ए टीचर या द टीचर?
My option number B.
हाँ, माय फादर इज अ टीचर, वेरी गुड। नेक्स्ट, निशा's mother gave her dash story book birthday,
Option number C, the.
निशा's mother gave her the story book is wrong. Yes जोया। ए स्टोरी बुक, निशा की मां ने उसे एक कहानी की पुस्तक दी। एंटोनिम ऑफ प्राउड, प्राउड का उल्टा क्या होगा, ऑपोजिट?
Option number D.
ऑप्शन नंबर डी वाइज नहीं। यस चिराग।
Option number B.
ऑप्शन नंबर बी हम्बल इज राइट। नाइस, बहुत अच्छी तैयारी की है चिराग ने। सॉरी एक सेकेंड, प्राउड मिस होता है घमंड, हम्बल मिस सही है, हम्बल मिस काइंड, राइट है। एंटोनिम ऑफ हैप्पीनेस, हैप्पीनेस का ऑपोजिट। पास है, कौन बोलना चाहेगा? आप बोलिए रौनक।
ऑप्शन नंबर ए।
ऑप्शन नंबर ए पीस, पीस इज रॉन्ग। सॉरी,
Option number C, misery.
माइजरी, माइजरी मतलब होता है दुख, और हैप्पीनेस यानी खुशी, उसके एंटोनिम है। चलिए नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट, खुशी। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, देयर आर बुक्स ऑन दी सेल्फ, इसमें नाउन कौन है? आर नाउन होता है। नाउन किसे कहते हैं मालूम है आपको? बोलिए। थिंग्स, बुक्स थिंग है तो नाउन। किड्स आर प्लेइंग क्रिकेट इन द गार्डन, नाउन कौन है? गार्डन भी है और किड्स भी है। नेक्स्ट, ऑलवेज ओबे योर एल्डर्स, इसमें वर्ब खोजना है, क्रिया कौन है? ओबे, नाइस। सिनोनिम्स ऑफ इनोसेंट, इनोसेंट का बताना है आपको, सेम वर्ड, प्राइवेसी। नहीं सुनिए आप। ऑप्शन नंबर ए ब्लेमलेस इज राइट। सिनोनिम ऑफ वार्म, हॉट, राइट आंसर। नेक्स्ट, सॉरी, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मदर कुक्स हर फूड डैश द चाइल्ड स्लीप्स, एज इज रॉन्ग। यस रौनक।
ऑप्शन नंबर बी।
ऑप्शन नंबर बी एंड, मदर कुक्स हर फूड एंड द चाइल्ड स्लीप्स, नहीं। चिराग।
विल।
वाइल, मदर कुक्स हर फूड वाइल द चाइल्ड स्लीप्स, वाइल मतलब होता है दौरान, जिस दौरान बच्चा सोया हुआ था मां क्या कर रही थी? खाना पका रही थी। नेक्स्ट, डोंट गो होम डैश आई कम, एज इज रॉन्ग। यस सुशांत।
टिल आई कम।
टिल नहीं, अंटिल आई कम। डोंट गो होम, घर मत जाना, अंटिल आई कम, जब तक मैं नहीं आता। एंटोनिम ऑफ इग्नोरेंस, एंटोनिम ऑफ इग्नोरेंस। यस चिराग।
ऑप्शन नंबर सी।
ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज रॉन्ग। यस रौनक।
ऑप्शन नंबर बी।
बी इज ऑल्सो रॉन्ग। आप हाथ क्यों उठा रहे हैं? आप ही को तो बोलना है। हाँ बोलिए।
Knowledge.
नॉलेज, इग्नोरेंस मतलब होता है अज्ञानता, और नॉलेज मतलब होता है ज्ञान। एंटोनिम ऑफ मास्टर, मास्टर का ऑपोजिट क्या होगा?
Factory owner.
फैक्ट्री ओनर इज रॉन्ग। कौन बोलना चाहेगा? बताइए जोया।
Expert.
एक्सपर्ट इज ऑल्सो रॉन्ग। सुशांत।
ऑप्शन नंबर सी।
ऑप्शन नंबर सर्वेंट इज राइट, मास्टर यानी मालिक, और सर्वेंट यानी कि
नौकर।
नौकर, ऑपोजिट हुआ। एंटोनिम ऑफ वेग, इन्होंने ये वर्ड सुना ही नहीं है।
Greedy.
ग्रेडी इज रॉन्ग। आप बताइए।
Clear.
क्लियर, वेग मतलब होता है अस्पष्ट, जो साफ ना हो, और क्लियर मतलब जो साफ हो, उसका ऑपोजिट है। चलिए नेक्स्ट, चिराग आपका बारी है। इसमें से आपको बताना है कौन सा स्पेलिंग गलत है। सुपरमैन, कैमरामैन, वॉचमैन, बैट्समैन।
Sir, 20 number 1.
वो छोड़िए, आप भी बताइए।
Sir, cameraman.
कैमरामैन क्या गलत है उसमें बता सकते हैं?
तो इसमें कैमरा का स्पेलिंग गलत है।
हाँ, CAMM दिया है, एक ही एम होता है। और ये जो मैंने ऊपर किया इसमें नर्स भी सही है, डॉक्टर भी सही है, पेशेंट भी सही है, वॉशरमैन भी सही है, इसमें चारों सही था। ये बताइए, साइंटिस्ट, डेंटिस्ट, ड्रामेटिस्ट और आर्टिस्ट में ऑपोजिट कौन? ये सॉरी, रॉन्ग स्पेलिंग किसका है?
Sir, option number C.
ड्रामेटिस्ट नहीं। बताइए खुशी।
ऑप्शन नंबर बी।
ऑप्शन नंबर बी डेंटिस्ट, डेंटिस्ट में डबल टी नहीं होता है, एक टी होता है। बाकी ये ड्रामेटिस्ट सही था। माउस का प्लूरल क्या होता है?
mice,
माइस. वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज द प्लूरल ऑफ पोटैटो?
option number C,
ऑप्शन में सी, पोटैटोज इज राइट. ओके रौनक, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, वर्क हार्ड डैश यू विल नॉट सक्सीड इन लाइफ.
option number B,
वर्क हार्ड बट यू नॉट सक्सीड इन लाइफ इज रॉन्ग. चलिए सोनिया बताएंगे. अनलेस, वर्क हार्ड अनलेस, नहीं तो यू विल नॉट सक्सीड इन लाइफ, आप सफल नहीं होंगे. यू विल वेट डैश आई रिटर्न. चार ऑप्शन है.
option number C,
ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज राइट. यू विल वेट, तुम इंतजार करो जब तक मैं आता हूं. सिनोनिम्स ऑफ एनुअल.
option number B,
बी इज राइट. एनुअल यानी वार्षिक, ईयरली मतलब भी वार्षिक. सिनोनिम ऑफ नॉलेज.
option number A,
ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज रॉन्ग. यस,
option number C,
ऑप्शन नंबर सी स्टूपिड होगा. नॉलेज का सिनोनिम्स बताइए जोया.
Option number B.
विग्ड इज रॉन्ग. चलिए एक ही ऑप्शन बचा, लर्निंग. बोले जाता ना उसके पास काफी नॉलेज है, लर्निंग है. सिनोनिम्स है. राइट द सिनोनिम ऑफ हेस्ट. हेस्ट मीन्स होता है जल्दी, तो आपको कौन सा वर्ड
option
दिख रहा
number A,
है? और स्लो मतलब जल्दी होता है. एंटोनिम नहीं बताना है, सिनोनिम्स बताना है.
option number C,
सी होगा लेजी. ऑप्शन नंबर बी. अरे
सर मेरा भी बोल.
नेक्स्ट, कम डैश यू प्लीज.
till, option number D,
नो, कम इफ यू प्लीज. आनंद राइट स्लोली डैश नीटली.
because neatly,
नो, निकाल नहीं होगा. बताइए रौनक.
option number A, but
यस, आनंद राइट स्लोली, वो धीरे लिखता है बट लेकिन नीटली, साफ लिखता है. राइट, से द सिनोनिम ऑफ रिड्रेस. रिड्रेस मतलब होता है आराम पहुंचाना, राहत पहुंचाना. यस, बोलिए चिराग.
option number B,
ऑप्शन बी इज रॉन्ग. ऑप्शन नंबर सी, रिलीफ. सिनोनिम ऑफ अर्बन.
option number B,
बी, रूड इज रॉन्ग. कौन बताएंगे? बता देते. अर्बन मीन्स होता है सभ्य. कौन सा वर्ड जो है जो सिनोनिम्स है सभ्य का? यस, खुशी बताइए. स्टर्बन इज रॉन्ग. ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज राइट, सिविलाइज्ड. चलिए लास्ट क्वेश्चन ग्रामर का. बोल्ड का सिनोनिम्स बताइए.
option number B,
बी, मॉडर्न इज रॉन्ग. बताइए रौनक.
option number A,
ऑप्शन नंबर ए, करेजियस. बोल्ड मतलब भी बहादुर और करेजियस मतलब भी बहादुर, साहसी. ओके, ग्रामर ये जो था वो लग रहा है आप लोगों ने ये वर्ड नहीं पढ़ा था शायद, इसलिए बहुत सारा प्रॉब्लम हुआ, लेकिन तभी भी अच्छा जवाब दिया आप लोगों ने. अब जो है आपने पढ़ा है और आपके बुक का ही है, इसलिए उम्मीद करते हैं कि आपका राइट आंसर आएगा. ओके, अब हम लोग शुरू करेंगे एमसीक्यू एकेडमिक बुक का. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जोया के लिए. डैश इज लव एंड काइंडनेस.
What is love and kindness?
God is love and kindness. Very good. Second question. On the dash and unjust.
Just.
On the just and unjust. Very good. Third. As we kneel to
Play.
pray is right answer. Fourth. The world of birds is very
Both A and B.
yani beautiful and interesting. Last question. A lot more birds live in the a lot of birds live
House
in
and forest.
house and forest. Yes, live forest. क्या हो?
Forest. See forest.
Forest. Okay, next, Shifa. First question. Where do birds build their nest?
Both and both. Both and.
Both in the tree and in the house. Next. The peacock is a very यहाँ भर रहा है.
Beautiful.
Beautiful bird. Who is our national bird?
Peacock.
Peacock. The natural home of a tiger is
Forest.
forest. Tiger hunt in
Night.
night. Tiger hunt in
Night.
Very good. इनका all right हुआ. Next, Sophia. Tiger can jump up to
7 feet.
7 feet. Right. Tiger has brown body with
Black strip.
black strip. Is also right. Once there was a
Cobbler.
cobbler. Cobbler वाली story है ना आपकी बुक में?
Yes, sir.
He lived with his
Wife.
wife. Last question. My last piece of and
Leather.
leather. Very good. All right. अब बताएंगी? खुशी ना?
Yes, sir.
The next morning he got a
Dear surprise. Option number D.
option number D. Surprise is right. The kind put on the new
Option number A. Elves.
elves. Karan and Karim were two.
Children. Option number C.
Option number C. Right. They also played.
Option number B. Hide and seek.
Option number B. Hide and
Seek.
seek. The tree was the home of many
Option number A. Birds.
birds. All right. Okay. Next. Sorry. The strangers were cutting down the tree in the
Forest.
forest. Right. They ran to their dash house.
Teachers.
Teacher's house. Right answer. Who improved each shining hour?
Little bee.
Little bit. How neat she spread the
Wax.
wax. Right. For Saturn find some
Mischief.
mischief. All right. Next, Chirag. It will be fun to see the wild
Animals.
animals.
No, sir. None of these.
None of these.
Both.
चलिए बताएंगी. रौनक बताएगा.
Option number B.
Option number B. Birds save. कि both animal and birds. दूसरा, they go to the zoo by
Bus.
bus. The dash is the king of animal.
Lion.
Lion. The dash is dancing in the park.
Peacock.
Peacock. Let us catch a.
Ball.
मत बोलिए उधर से.
Ball.
ऑडियंस से कोई नहीं बोलेगा.
Sir, ball.
Ball. Let us catch a ball. क्या होना चाहिए सौर्य?
Bus.
Option number C. Bus. Let's us catch a bus. Okay, Ronak. Taj Mahal is situated in.
Option number.
थोड़ा इधर उधर हो गया.
Option number B.
Option number B. अगला ना. Next. Who built Taj Mahal?
Option number C.
Shahjahan. The surrounding environment of the Taj Mahal is
Option number D. All of these.
B. Attractive.
All of these.
Natural, attractive and artificial.
No, sir.
तीनों होगा. चलिए बताइए चिराग.
Natural.
Natural. The surrounding environment of the Taj Mahal is
Natural.
How many years Taj Mahal take to get completed?
Option number B.
22 years.
Yes, sir.
Last question. Swami Vivekananda was born in.
Option number B.
Option B. Calcutta is right answer. Okay. Next and last candidate. Susan. First question. Sri Ram Krishna was a
Option number B.
priest, right? Swami Vivekananda attended the Parliament of Religion in.
Option number C. Chicago.
Option number C. Chicago नहीं Chicago. Swami Vivekananda was a patriot. Nice. Swami Vivekananda father name.
Vishwanath Dutt.
Vishwanath Dutt. Last question. Our national game is
Hockey.
hockey. All right. So MCQ part is also completed. अब हम लोग सब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन करेंगे. ओके. एक एक क्वेश्चन आएगा आपको उसका आंसर बताना है. First question. Who love and kindness?
God is love and kindness.
God loves and love and kindness. Second candidate. Why we should be thankful to God?
Because God
Because God आराम से याद कीजिए. पहला चैप्टर का ही है. Second question.
because God this
चलिए सो आप बताइए.
Because God is central of all things.
Because God is the center of all things. Creator, center is the creator था. Okay, next. आप ही का है. Name the writer of the poem Being Thankful.
Ajay Chaudhary.
नहीं सर
बताइए खुशी.
Being thankful is a creature said is Merton Mayer. Proper best forms noble.
क्या बोले? राइटर का नाम पूछना है. आप क्या बोले? राइटर कौन थे?
इसमें राइटर नहीं दिया सर
तो सर क्या लिखा है इसका?
यही है सर यही लिखा है
Creature said is Merton Mayer. Proper best forms noble.
ओके चलिए खुशी आप बताइए. What is our national bird?
Peacock is our national bird.
Very good. Next, Surya. How is the world of birds?
The world of God is very interesting and unique.
Okay. Chirag. Name some common bird that you can see around.
pigeon
हाथ ऐसे नहीं उठाना है. वो पास करेगा तब.
pigeon eagle vulture sorry pigeon eagle vulture peacock and crow are called common birds
ETC और बहुत सारे bird होते हैं. Next, Ronak. Which is the biggest bird in the world?
ostrich is biggest bird in the world
Ostrich is the biggest bird in the world. Susan. Which birds are called scavengers?
vulture and kite are called scavengers
Next, Joya. Why is population of tigers decreasing?
Because people hunt the tiger is very massive amount.
Because people hunt the tigers in very massive amount. Okay, nice. Next, which animal is our national animal?
tiger is our national animal
Okay. Which features make tiger beautiful? Which features makes tiger beautiful?
Tiger are black strip which make pass.
Yes, Khushi.
He has a brown body and black stripes. She makes very beautiful.
Brown body with black strip makes him very beautiful. Okay, Khushi. Why do people hunt tigers?
People hunt tigers because tigers' skin, nails, teeth, and their bones in market. It is demand international over market.
Nice. Surya. In which countries tigers are found?
Tigers are found in various countries like Cambodia, China, India, Bhutan, Nepal, and Far East of Russia, etc.
Okay. Chirag. Who was Rex? Why were and his wife worried?
rex is a cobbler and because he worried his
Why were he and his wife worried? क्यों चिंतित थे वो? चलिए बताएंगे रौनक.
rex is a cobbler all his money was finished
Yes, Susan.
rex is a cobbler he and his wife worried no money left
Because no money left. Left. कोई पैसा नहीं बचा था. Okay. रौनक. What surprise did the get one morning?
the surprise one
ऐसे नहीं
get
हाथ उठाना है. नंबर कट जाएगा.
the surprise one morning
जब पास होगा तब.
the surprise get one morning a new pair of shoes
हाँ,
they found a new pair of shoes. Okay, Susan, what did Rex and Mary see from behind their door?
Rex and Mary see from behind the door 5 elves.
5 elves making the shoes. Okay, Joya, what did Mary make for the elves?
Mary make for the elves are clothes.
Clothes. Next, what did the elves do when they got the gifts?
The dance of night. All night.
They danced all night. Whom did Karan and Karim see at the tea stall?
One morning, Karan and Karim tea stall, three strangers. One morning, Karan and Karim, three strangers tea stall.
See the three strangers at the tea stall. Next, Khushi. Which tea stall did the men go to?
The men go to debut tea stall.
आराम से बोलिए.
The men go to debut tea stall.
Okay, sorry. What were the strangers doing in the forest?
The stranger cut down the trees in the forest.
Right answer. Where did the boys go for help?
Let go for help, boys, our teacher. No, sir, no, sir. Let go for help, boys, in our teacher.
चलिए कौन बताएगा अच्छे से? चलिए रौनक ही बताएंगे.
The boys go for help teacher's house.
The boys go to teacher's house for the help. Okay, Ronak. Why were the villagers shocked?
The villagers shocked. We a school ringing the bell on holiday.
On the holiday.
On the radio. और कौन बताएगा इस आंसर को? Yes, Surya.
The villagers shocked because they don't know that why is the school bell ringing on holiday.
Nice. ऐसे हिसाब का बताना है. Sushant, what does improve the little BGB?
The little BGB improve in a signing hour.
Signing hour. Joya ji, question. What does build little b?
The little bee built herself.
Herself.
Yes, sir.
Herself. Next. What is the food that little bee makes?
The little busy food make honey.
Honey and wax.
Honey and wax.
Next. Who is the writer of poem The Little Bee?
The writer of poem name is Ishaq Ware. Ishaq Words. Ishaq Words.
Isaac.
Words.
Next. What is a lion's food?
The lion food is me.
Meat. Sorry. What do lions do when they see meat?
The lions roar when they see meat.
Yes.
What do the children give to the monkey?
The children give to the monkeys nuts and grams.
Nuts and
Grams.
grams. Which is our national bird?
Peacock is our national bird.
सुशांत जी, what are the ducks doing? बत्तख क्या कर रही थी?
The ducks swimming in water.
हाँ, the ducks are swimming in the water.
Wrong.
Wrong है. आप ये बोलेंगी.
The ducks are swimming smoothly in the water.
Smoothly in the water. Okay, आपका भी राइट है. Next, जोया. Who called Taj Mahal as a dream in marble?
Rabindranath Tagore was a dream in marble.
Rabindranath Tagore called Taj Mahal as a dream in
Marble.
Where is Taj Mahal located?
The Taj Mahal located in Agra.
In Agra. Bank of Yamuna River. Okay, next. Who built Taj Mahal?
The builder of Taj Mahal Shahjahan.
ऐसे नहीं बोलेंगे build the Taj Mahal is Shahjahan. The Shahjahan built Taj Mahal. एक सेंटेंस अच्छे से बनाएंगे. How many years Taj Mahal take to get completed?
Taj Mahal take to get 22 years completed.
हाँ, it gets 22 years to get completed. Whom was Mumtaz Mahal?
Mumtaz Mahal is the wife of Shah Jahan.
Is a wife. Was a wife of Shah Jahan. When and where was Swami Vivekananda born?
Swami Vivekananda was born on 12 January 1863 in Calcutta.
In Calcutta. Why was Swami Vivekananda very popular?
Swami Vivekananda popular in his knowledge in Sanskrit.
Because of his knowledge in
Sanskrit.
who was the spiritual master of Swami Vivekananda?
Sri Ramakrishna was a spiritual master of Swami Vivekananda.
Very good. Next, Joya. When did Swami Vivekananda attend the Parliament of Religions?
Swami Vivekananda attended the Parliament of Religions are
When? Date बताना है.
it's September 19.
Sophia.
8 September 1893.
September 1893. Yes.
Swami Vivekananda attended the Parliament of Religions Chicago in September 1893.
ऐसे बोलेंगे डिटेल में. Next. Why was Swami Vivekananda called a patriot?
The Swami Vivekananda was patriot to pass.
कौन बोलना चाहेगा? Yes, Soria.
Swami Vivekananda called a patriot because he was worried for the poverty of India. He also tried to remove the poverty from his country.
Very good. Next. Name the national game of India.
Hockey is our national game.
Hockey is our national game. Okay. How many players are there in hockey game?
There are 11 players in hockey game.
Next. In which Olympic India won gold medal?
India won the gold medal in Amsterdam Olympic in 1928.
In 19 Amsterdam. Okay. Name the 5 trophy related with hockey games.
ध्यानचंद ट्रॉफी, लेडी वेटन ट्रॉफी ब्रैकेट में वुमेन, नेहरू ट्रॉफी, रागास्वामी गोल्ड कप.
Okay. और कौन बोलना चाहेगा? पांचों कौन बताएगा?
Sir.
चलिए जोया से पूछते हैं.
राकेशवे कप, सिंधिया गोल्ड कप, लेडी रतन ट्रॉफी, नेहरू ट्रॉफी.
नेहरू ट्रॉफी. 4 ही हुआ.
Sir.
चलिए सोफिया अभी बता दी.
पहला नेहरू ट्रॉफी, दूसरा दयानंद ट्रॉफी, तीसरा लेडी रतन ट्रॉफी, चौथा इंडियन ट्रॉफी, पांचवा रागास्वामी ट्रॉफी.
India trophy. Okay. Next. In which year India lost the gold medal?
The India is lost gold medal in 1984.
1984. Okay. Who scared the little stars away? Susan. Who scared the little stars away? Yes, हाथ उठाइए. डिसाइड करेंगे किसको आ रहा है. उठाए कि गिराए? तो नीचे रखिए. Yes, sorry.
The sun scared the little stars away.
The sun scared the little stars away. Next. Who said, I never go to sleep, dear child?
The sun I never go to sleep, dear child.
Sun said, I never go to sleep, dear. Who stayed out late at play?
The stay out late play.
Yes, Chirag.
Sun stayed out late at play.
Next. What is a computer?
Computer or electronic machine.
Electronic machine. किसके द्वारा बनाया गया था इलेक्ट्रिक मशीन?
Charles Babbage.
Charles Babbage. Very good. Next. What are the advantages of computer?
The advantage of computers are highly powered, smaller programming, email, messaging, and many more powerful.
Okay. Next. Sorry, Ali. Who invented the first mechanical computer?
Charles Babbage has invented the first mechanical computer.
चलिए आप ही से write the feature of a new generation computers.
The new generation computer feature are more speeder, highly powerful, and mathematical calculation.
Mathematical calculation highly accurate and speed. Okay, next. In which field computers are used?
Computers are used in many fields like shopping mall, railway station, police station, schools,
Airport, post office, etc. Okay, next. What are the main reason of air pollution?
The main reason of air pollution, harmful air, poisonous
Poisonous air.
by the very number of vehicles and factories and burning burning open.
Burning of fossil fuel. Yes, sorry.
The main reason of air pollution is harmful and poisonous gases from factories and industry. The
Sewage system. Okay, next. Which gases are polluting the air? किसका है सुशांत? कौन सी गैस है जो प्रदूषित कर रही है हवा को?
Carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide gases are pollution in the air.
Yes. Okay. नेक्स्ट, अब हाथ उठाएंगे, ठीक है? जिसको भी आएगा क्वेश्चन पढ़ के, वो छोड़िए, आप ये क्वेश्चन पढ़िए। आ रहा है तो हाथ उठाएंगे। किसे आ रहा है? Why is soil pollution called? ओके, जोया बताएंगी।
Soil pollution are caused by soil fertilizer, fungicide, insecticides, other.
बताइए खुशी।
Soil pollution caused by the fertilizer, fungicide, herbicide, insecticides, and other organic compounds.
Yes, very good. Next. क्वेश्चन देखिए। सिर्फ एक हाथ उठा इस पे। खुशी बताएंगी। सॉरी, दो हाथ।
The reason of water contamination and harmful waste like sewage system, industry, farms, etc.
Very good. Next. What do trees provide us? Yes, Chirag.
Trees provide us oxygen, fruits, flowers, and etc.
Okay. Next. Sophia.
Name the two trees provide quinines and epods.
Quinine and? Yes, Susan.
Tulsi and neem provide us medicinal
Medicinal product. Very good. Which gas do trees breathe in? Yes, Chirag. हाथ नीचे रखिए। Rona.
The trees breathe carbon dioxide gas.
Very good. The tree breathe in carbon dioxide. What did Kailash leave with his friend? What did Kailash leave with his friend? Yes, Sarya.
Kailash leave a bag full of gold dust with his friend.
Very good. Next. What did his friend give him when he came back? उसके दोस्त ने क्या दिया जब वो वापस आया? सिर्फ एक हाथ उठाया। जोया भी। Yes.
His friends gave him sand, a bag full of sand. He come back.
Next. Yes, Khushi.
Kailash friend lived with his son with him. Kailash friends lived his friends with him.
Okay. इसके बाद लास्ट क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा, सेकंड लास्ट है। क्वेश्चन पढ़ेंगे। What did Kailash teach the parrot? उसने तोते को क्या सिखाया? Yes, Ronak.
The teach Kailash parrot, father, I am turned into parrot.
am turned into a parrot, यही सिखाया कैसे तोते में बदलना है। ओके, लास्ट क्वेश्चन है, लास्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी आप लोग के लिए। चलिए सॉरी बताएंगे।
Kailash sent his friend's son to stay in a village.
कैलाश sent
His friend's son to stay in a village.
to stay in the village, right answer है? Okay, so we have completed our English debate of class 4, ठीक है? Thank you.